Hey everybody, and welcome back to our next course, Intro to Version Control and Git Repositories. You may be asking yourself, what the heck is version control and Git repositories? Well, we're going to cover that right now, so let's get started. So what is version control? Version control is a system that helps manage changes to files over time. It allows multiple people to collaborate on projects, tracks the history of changes, and enables the recovery of previous versions of files if needed. This is particularly useful for coding, as it ensures that every change made to the code base is recorded, making it easier to identify who made changes and when. The key takeaway from all of this is that version control systems allow us to keep a detailed log of all the changes in a project, which prevents the loss of work and makes it much simpler to track the development of projects over time. There's a couple other things that version control systems allow us to do, which we'll cover here in a later module. The first one being it allows us to create branches. A branch is just a version of the base code that you can work on separate from the base code, so that way any changes you make don't affect that base code until you merge them back in. This is especially useful for teams who are working on multiple features at the same time, where you don't want to interfere with the coding of another developer at the same time that you're developing your own feature. The second thing it allows us to do is it allows us to resolve conflicts within branches of code. This happens a lot when you're working in a team and you have different team members working on different parts of the code in different branches. When you merge those back in, sometimes two different team members may have touched the same portion of code, which can create a conflict where it doesn't understand which branch to use for the code change. So to overcome this, version control implemented merge conflict resolution, which allows you to go in, view those conflicts within the code, and decide which portions of the code should be changed to which version. Now that you've got an understanding of what version control is, go ahead and read through the next couple modules, which will go over the importance of version control, as well as the different types of version control. And then once you're done with that, I'll meet you back in the course for basics of Git.